Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a developing story out of Zimbabwe that's been making headlines. Let's unpack the scandal involving businessman Chivhayo and the stern response from the Zimbabwean government. So who is Chivhayo? He's a businessman known as much for his wealth as for his controversies. But this time, it seems his actions have led to some serious legal consequences. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, through his spokesperson, Information Minister Jen van Muswer, has made it clear enough is enough. In a recent statement, Minister Muswer expressed the government's frustration with individuals who misuse the names of top officials to inflate their importance and manipulate others. It's a bold move, emphasizing that no one, regardless of their connections or status, is above the law. The message is clear. The era of name-dropping to commit fraud or gain undue advantage is over. Now, Chivhayo's reputation for leveraging his high-level contacts for personal gain is no secret. But this time, his strategy has backfired. With the backing of the Youth League, the government is moving swiftly to investigate Chivhayo's past actions, promising a thorough and unbiased legal scrutiny. What's striking here is the government's approach, signaling a potential shift in how business and politics interact in Zimbabwe. This could be a crucial moment for the country, as it struggles with economic challenges and cries for reform and transparency. As the legal proceedings against Chivhayo unfold, all eyes will be on how the government handles this case. Will this lead to a more transparent political climate in Zimbabwe? Or is it just a high-profile example to discourage others from similar misconduct? Only time will tell. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this story and other news from around the world. Stay informed, stay engaged.